Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into the teachings of Marcus Aurelius from his timeless work, Meditations. Specifically, we'll unravel the profound wisdom contained within Chapter 4, focusing on the Big Three. What are the Big Three? Marcus Aurelius encapsulates them as the pillars of Stoicism: perception, action, and will. These aren't merely abstract concepts, they're practical tools to help us navigate the chaos of modern life with resilience, clarity, and grace. Let's break them down together. First up, perception. Aurelius commands us to control our perceptions. This might sound simple, but it's a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Our perception shapes our reality. Often it's not events themselves that distress us, but our interpretation of them. For instance, let's say you're stuck in traffic. The situation itself is neutral. It's our mind labeling it as stressful or annoying that causes distress. By controlling our perceptions, we can change how we experience life's challenges. Take a moment to think about a recent event that upset you. Was it really the event, or was it your perception of it? This is where the power lies. By training ourselves to see things clearly and objectively, we lessen the emotional turmoil they create. We move closer to a state of inner calm, unshaken by external disturbances. Next, let's talk about action. Marcus advises us to direct our actions rightly. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to get lost in a sea of tasks and distractions. However, Stoicism teaches us to focus on actions that contribute to the common good. It's about aligning our efforts with virtue and purpose. Imagine setting a goal, not for recognition or reward, but because it contributes positively to your community or environment. This aligned action brings a profound sense of fulfillment and direction. In your daily routine, ask yourself, is this action right and just? Does it serve a greater good beyond my immediate self-interest? When we approach tasks with this mindset, we transform even mundane activities into meaningful endeavors, enriching our lives and those around us. Lastly, we arrive at the concept of will. This is perhaps the most challenging, yet liberating principle. Willingly accept what is outside your control. In our quest for perfection, we often expend immense energy trying to control external factors, other people's opinions, the weather, or even market fluctuations. Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what we can control and what we cannot, embracing the latter with equanimity. Think about the last time you faced an unexpected setback. Maybe it was a job rejection, a personal loss, or an unforeseen change in plans. Our natural reaction is to resist, to fight against reality. However, by shifting our attitude to one of willing acceptance, we conserve energy and maintain inner serenity. It doesn't mean passivity or resignation. Rather, it's about maintaining a proactive attitude towards our own responses and efforts, regardless of external outcomes. To summarize, the essence of Stoicism, as captured by Marcus Aurelius, can be distilled into three actionable principles. Control your perceptions, direct your actions rightly, and willingly accept what is outside your control. These are not esoteric doctrines, but practical, daily habits that can transform our lives. I encourage you to integrate these concepts into your routine. Start small. Perhaps today, focus on controlling your perception of a minor annoyance. Tomorrow, approach an action with the intent of serving a larger good. Gradually, practice accepting what you cannot change with grace. Notice the shift not only in your mental state, but also in how you handle life's complexities. Remember, friends, the path to resilience, tranquility, and wisdom is a journey. By adopting the Big Three, we step closer to living a life of practical virtue and inner peace. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. Let's cultivate a community of modern Stoics together. Until next time, stay resilient and remember, true growth comes from within.